gonna do unboxing. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ito. Ito po, nanalo pa ako nito sa namin, sa Associate Holiday Party last February. Ito, nanalo ko sa sa raffle. Sa work ko sa golf course. So, buksan ko ito. Ayan. Para siyang parang doorbell. Hindi ko pa ito nabuksan actually. Tingnan natin ang laman ito. Sure. So I'm gonna show you this. Is a video doorbell. So I'm gonna open this. Actually, I got this from my work. I won this from holiday party, associate holiday party, from of course the place where I work. So I won this raffle. So I'm gonna open this. Buksan ko to. Ayan. Ayan. A video doorbell. And this is like an instructions. So I have to install it. And here the box. Ito siya. Paintable to match your home. Ito. It's a cord. This is. And there is a little bit tiny screw on it. Oh, this is the battery. Oh, it's cool. So that way, the buttons. Like this. So I'm gonna send this to the Philippines. I do this to my house in the Philippines. So it looks just coming out there. Yeah, let's see here. It's nice. So every time we had a holiday party at my job, I always won something. At my other job, I won an iPad in Hyatt the same year. So yeah, I'm gonna send this to the Philippines. Because I can't use this over here. We have camera already at our house, so I can't use that one. So I have this another box. I'm not really sure what's in here. I forgot what I ordered. It's been sitting for like a few months. I forgot what I said. So let me open it. The two sunglasses I ordered here. Oh my gosh, I forgot this. OMG. Oh my goodness. It's like sunglasses for snowboarding. There, it's like this. There. Oh my god, I forgot. I really forgot this. Oh, and there's an extra in here. It's an Oakley here. Right in. There's another one in case you broke the first one. You can replace this one. I really forgot this, guys. Sitting for like a few months. I didn't open it. OMG. And there's this cute bag. And that's it. So yeah, I ordered two. I didn't even know I forgot this. So I ordered two of this. Oh my god, it's been a long time. I didn't open it. I forgot. So I have few boxes I need to open. Oh my god. So that's it. My unboxing. So I really forgot that one. So that's it. My first unboxing. So I'm gonna do it next time because I have few boxes in there. I didn't open it. So that's it, guys. Yup, ciao. Show. So that's it, guys. My first unboxing. I really forgot that too. Alright, guys. Bye. Bye-boo.